Animal homes, exploring where animals live. Did you know that animals have special places where they live? These places are called habitats. Just like how you have your home, animals have their own homes too. Animal habitats can be found all over the world, in forests, deserts, oceans, and even in your backyard. Each habitat is unique and provides everything an animal needs to survive. For example, animals like bears and squirrels make their homes in forests. They build nests or dens in trees or underground to keep safe and warm. In the ocean, you'll find habitats like coral reefs where colourful fish and other sea creatures live. Coral reefs are like underwater cities full of life. Deserts are home to animals like camels and snakes. They're adapted to live in hot, dry places and have special ways to find water and stay cool. Even your backyard is a habitat for creatures like birds, insects, and small mammals. They find food, shelter, and water in gardens and parks. Protecting animal habitats is important because it helps keep animals safe and healthy. When we take care of their homes, we also help protect the plants and other animals that live there. So, the next time you're out exploring, keep an eye out for animal homes in different habitats. You might be surprised by the amazing creatures you discover